What's up guys, my name is Nick and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at Vega. This is the fourth of the videos that I've done on the Greeks in my Options for Beginners series. If you haven't seen the other three, I recommend you start there with Delta. I'll include a link for you somewhere up around here. Okay, enjoy the video, and if you do, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a ton. Cheers. Vega is a measure of how sensitive an option is to changes in volatility. Specifically, Vega is the amount an option price changes for every 1% change in implied volatility. If we take a look at the following table, we can examine the effects of both positive and negative changes in implied volatility on the prices of three different options depending on each option's Vega. Note that it doesn't matter if the option is a call or a put option. Assuming all other variables are held constant, an increase in implied volatility will lead to an increase in an option's value, and the reverse is true for falling implied volatility. Take a look at the table then. The first row shows a $20 option which has a 0.5 Vega. We see from the third column, when options implied volatility goes up by 1%, we should expect the price of the option to rise to $20.50. Conversely, when implied volatility goes down, this time by 2%, we see the price of the option fall to $19. If we now take a look at the second row, we can see the $10 option has a Vega value of 0.25. So, when implied volatility increases by 1%, we should expect the option's value to rise to $10.25. Conversely, when the option's implied volatility falls, in this case by 2%, we should expect to see the option price fall to $9.50. If we look at the final row, we see it's a teeny option worth just 50 cents, and a Vega on this is only just 0.03. When implied volatility rises by 1%, we should expect the value of the option to rise to 0.53. Conversely, when the implied volatility falls, let's say by 2%, we should expect the option's value to fall to 44 cents. So, from the previous slide then, since option prices increase when implied volatility rises, so long option holders benefit from an increase in volatility and are said to be long Vega. Bonnie is our long option holder. Clyde, on the other hand, is a short option holder and has sold to open his position. This means falling or decreasing volatility helps Clyde's position, and he's said to be short Vega. This chart shows the impact of time to expiration and moneyness on an option's Vega. Higher values of Vega are associated with higher extrinsic value. As you can see from the chart, regardless of the time to expiration, the at-the-money option has the highest levels of Vega. Note that Vega does increase though as the time to expiration also increases. The chart then shows the levels of Vega for three option expiration cycles: the 20-day, the 100-day and the 365-day. Additionally, we can see that as we move out of the money, away from the at-the-money, Vega falls on those options. This is as a direct result of the higher extrinsic value of the at-the-money options. In summary then, Vega is the rate of change of an option's price given a 1% change in implied volatility. Increasing levels in implied volatility help option buyers, as option buyers are long Vega, and this boosts option prices. Declining levels of implied volatility help option sellers, as option sellers are short Vega, and this deflates option premiums. Vega is highest for at-the-money options and increases as the time to expiration also increases. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the like button a little tickle and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions on Vega or feedback on the content in this video in general, please drop them in the comments section below. I'll respond to them all personally. Until the next time, cheers chaps. Marvellous.